Well, if you thought it's been getting darker earlier at night, you would be absolutely correct. We're in that part of the year where we are really starting to lose daylight at an accelerated clip. Notice sunset tonight about 7:45, but we lose about 8 minutes in a week, and it continues to drop off as we get toward the end of the month. So we get 3 weeks from now, we've lost almost 30 minutes of daylight here. So the loss in daylight is a loss in daytime heating, which in turn eventually starts to lower our average daily temperatures, sort of that slow descent into fall that we are now in, now that we are in August. Notice temperatures 6 to 10 days out, we're kind of stuck in the middle. Equal chances for most of us of below or above average temperatures. I will say if you have travel plans into next week, farther to the west into Arkansas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Texas, the oven is really going to turn on for those folks, it looks like, with highs well above 100 degrees. Nothing like that for us. Look at this weekend. 80s for our highs, lower 80s, lower 60s for our morning lows, maybe even a few upper 50s. And it really takes until we get into the second half of next week for temperatures to rebound closer to where we should be for this time of the year. We're going to start out with plenty of clouds, and then we'll see those clouds start to thin out, and we'll see plenty of sunshine for your ride home. And you'll see that here with Futurecast. Could there also be a very stray shower or sprinkle? Possibly, but I think that would be the exception. Notice 5 o'clock, mostly clear skies, I believe. And then by tonight, we really clear out, and things are looking great by the time that we get toward tomorrow morning with that persistent northerly flow. So mid 80s, I think, today with clearing by evening. Other locations that see that more persistent cloud cover will stay cooler because those clouds are really putting a lid on temperatures. And notice our lows tonight, for the most part, right around where we should be in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Now, as I show you the extended forecast, things are looking great. Still a little bit on the warm and sticky side Thursday and Friday, but late in the day Friday we have that cold front slide through, and that really slashes our temperatures. Notice lower 80s here and lower 60s for our morning lows, and that continues as we get into next week. And also it looks like a very dry stretch of weather as well. There's a slight chance for precipitation as we get into next week, but right now those chances are so low it's not even worth putting on the 7-day.